Today I'll be sharing with you 5 tips that make you a very great designer. Let's go! Number one skill you need to be a great designer is creativity. You cannot be a great designer if you cannot think outside the box and come up with very good designs that are both new and innovative. Number two, technical skills. Apart from being creative, you must be proficient at a design software. Examples are the Adobe Cloud, which includes Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. This will help you to make good use of typography, color, and other design elements that you use to create a very good design. 3. Attention to details. A good graphic designer must be able to spot even the tiniest mistake, from typography to misaligned elements in their design works, and ensure that your designs are polished and look very professional. 4. Communication skill. A good graphic designer must have the ears to listen to a client's needs very patiently and be able to express these needs for them without making any errors. They must understand what the client wants and how to deliver the client job for them perfectly. 5. Time management and organization. A graphic designer must be able to meet up with deadlines, manage his time, and be organized while he's working on a project. It is important that a graphic designer must be able to organize, multitask, and do more than one stuff at the same time. It is being organized. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. See you in our next video.